What's up, flyers? If you're ready to step up from a beginner drone without committing to a pro-level rig, the K16 MAX screen-controlled version is exactly what you need. This drone takes reliability and ease of use to a whole new level, packing a serious punch with advanced safety features and dedicated controls. For Safety Shield. Let's talk safety, because the K16 MAX is practically impossible to crash. It features a full four-way obstacle avoidance system. That's right, it senses obstacles in front, behind, to the left, and to the right, creating a virtual safety bubble around the drone. This is massive for peace of mind, especially when flying in tricky environments. This advanced safety is backed up by the Optical Flow Hovering System, which locks the drone securely into position, ensuring super stable flight whether you're indoors or outdoors. Dedicated control screen. The biggest selling point here is the screen-controlled remote. Forget phone clips and worrying about sun glare, the controller has a high-quality, dedicated screen built right in. This gives you a clear, instant FPV and telemetry data, making the flying experience intuitive and immersive. It keeps your phone free and your focus on the flight path. Capture your way with the 8K camera. When it comes to aerial footage, the 8K Professional HD camera delivers crisp, clear images. But the real feature we love is the electrically adjustable lens. With a simple tap on the controller, you can smoothly switch the camera angle to capture portrait shooting, landscape shooting, overhead shooting. This kind of flexibility allows you to nail the perfect shot every time without landing. The 2.4G Wi-Fi signal provides reliable image transmission over a remote control distance of about 100 meters. Battery and portability. Powering the K16 MAX is an 1800 mAh battery, giving you about 15 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to explore your environment, capture your content, and bring it back safely. And because it's a foldable RC quadcopter, it packs down quickly, making it a perfect gift that's ready to travel anywhere. The K16 MAX is the perfect blend of smart tech and simple control. If you value dedicated screen control and absolute crash protection, this drone is the one to get. What location would you try out that four-way obstacle avoidance first? Let me know in the comments.